Hi, I'm Shona, and this is Uttana Shishosana, or puppy pose. This pose is known for being a great chest opener, and today we're going to allow this to be a relaxation pose for your pelvic floor. So I recommend having a mat and a blanket. Now come to all fours. Make sure that blanket feels good for your knees, and widen your knees apart. Your feet can land wherever they feel comfortable. And then come down to your elbows. If that feels good, you can reach your arms out and place your forehead on the floor. Now notice where your hips are. Have your hips over your knees. So don't let them come back too far, like into a child's pose. Have those hips up high. And here we are. If you have any pain or discomfort in your shoulders, you can always bend your elbows, place your head on your forearms, or you can place a bolster under your upper body, like this. Or even turn your head to one side. You want to feel comfortable here, and that you can relax here for at least a minute, maybe even 5 minutes. So while you're here, imagine or bring your awareness to that area of your pelvic floor. So feel your sit bones widen side to side. And between your pubic bone and your tailbone, allow that area to lengthen. Relax your belly. Relax your shoulders. And rest. And take some deep breaths. And really let yourself sink deeper into this pose. Eventually, you might feel a nice relaxation and opening in your pelvic floor and through your chest and diaphragm. So when you're ready to come up, you just sit back onto your heels. And again, you can stay in this pose for a lot longer. All right, thanks for joining me. Namaste.